Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Devi Puspitasari. My topic today is online learning is as effective as traditional classroom learning. Have you ever wondered if learning online is really as effective as sitting in a classroom with your teachers and classmates? Many people think online learning is convenient and flexible, but today I will share why I personally disagree. I will explain this through two main points. The first is about the technical challenges that affect learning, and the second is about the lack of interaction and engagement between students and teachers. Before I share about my main point, I would like to tell you about my table of content today. There are some points of table content today, like background. Main point 1, personal experience. Main point 2, personal experience, conclusion, and also call to actions. So guys, let's start with the background. In today's digital era, online learning has become one of the most popular ways to study, especially after the pandemic. Many students prefer online learning because it offers greater flexibility. They can study anytime and anywhere while managing their other activities. In the past, distance learning used media such as radio and television to support students who couldn't attend classes in person. However, as technology has developed, online learning now uses devices such as mobile phone and laptop to help students access materials easily and communicate with teachers and classmates. This technological development also influences how students perceive their learning experience through distance education system. According to Sounder 109,093 and Wong 1,990, student attitude toward distance learning courses are positive. They found that students didn't feel any significant differences between traditional classes and online learning. They also felt connected to their teacher and classmates because through these online learning courses, they could see and hear the actual classroom interaction. On the other hand, some research found different opinions about distance learning. As stated, Song et al. 2004, students feel the lack of communicative, technical problems, and difficulties in understanding instructional goals are the major barriers for online learning. This challenge showed that although online learning offers flexibility, wider access, and convenience, but it cannot completely replace the direct connection and active learning situation found in traditional classroom learning. Therefore, evaluating the effectiveness of online learning in improving students' engagement and learning achievement is essential. So guys, let's move to my first point. My first point is about limited effectiveness of online learning due to technical barriers. Many people believe that online learning is an effective educational method, but I disagree. Although online learning offers flexibility, there are many challenges that actually reduce its effectiveness, and one of the main problems is technical barriers. According to Faval et al. 2020, users can experience various technical difficulties that hinder and slow down the teaching and learning process. Online learning is highly dependent on a stable internet connection and reliable device. When these technical factors fail, the entire learning process is disrupted. Based on my own experience during the COVID-19 pandemic, many students, including myself, often had difficulty following online lessons due to unstable internet connection and limited access to learning platforms. Sometimes the video would suddenly stop or the teacher voice would be chopped, so making it difficult to understand the explanation. I also had to ensure I had sufficient internet data every day, which was certainly quite expensive. This problem made learning less effective and frustrating because I couldn't really focus or understand the lesson clearly. In addition to technical issues, interaction and engagement are other important challenges. So, let's move on to main point second. The main point second is about lack of interaction and engagement in online learning. Another reason why I disagree that online learning also lacks a real interaction and engagement between teachers and students, which plays an important role in effective learning. Unlike traditional classroom learning or face-to-face learning, students cannot directly ask questions or get immediate feedback from teachers. This lack of interaction makes students feel disconnected and less motivated to learn. Real-time discussion rarely occur, and most online sessions only involve listening to the teachers and connecting excitement on the platforms. So I will share my personal experience that reflect this issue. Based on my personal experience during online learning, I often felt that these classes are not interactive and even boring because I just listened to the teacher talk and then did my assignment without any real communication with my classmates. This made it more difficult for me to stay focused and motivated to learning. On the other side, in face-to-face learning, students can interact directly, share opinions, and ask questions freely. This kind of environment helps build confidence and keeps students engaged in their learning process. So guys, after considering the evidence and my personal experience, finally let me summarize why I disagree with that statement. In conclusion, I strongly disagree with the statement that online learning is as effective as traditional classroom learning. Although it offers flexibility and accessibility, but in reality show that technical barriers, unstable internet connection, and limited interaction make it less effective in supporting consistent learning outcomes. As stated by Song et al. 2004, students feel the lack of communicative, technical problems, and difficulties in understanding instructional goals are the major barriers for online learning. Based on research and my personal experience during the COVID-19 pandemic, these problems clearly show that online learning cannot replace the engagement, motivation, and effectiveness offered by traditional classroom learning. The lack of direct feedback and spontaneous discussion during online classes make it difficult for me to stay motivated and understand complex topics. Although online learning provides convenience, it lacks the social connection and collaborative spirit found in face-to-face classes, further proving that traditional classroom learning remains more effective in promoting the understanding and active engagement. So before I close my presentation, I would like to share a suggestion that might help us improve our learning experience. I encourage you to actively participate in your online classes, like ask questions and discuss with your classmates, but never forget the distinct benefit of traditional classroom learning. So guys, that's all my presentation today. I hope my presentation today give you a better understanding of why online learning may not be as effective as traditional classroom learning. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.